Tell them.
So, Ziva, what I'm going to get you to do is I want you to have a go at reading every single word, and I just want you to try your best effort, okay? You can break it up and say them each out loud.
How to blend it?
You can blend it. You can do all those...
Sound it,
all those sorts of things. Can you please start for me? Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna use this so I can only concentrate on the word.
Okay.
So the first one is on list 2 is what? Friend. Puppy. Basket. Could. Dark. Down. Road. Plants. Away. Morning. 3. Cool. Drop. Grass. When. First. Train. Queen. Scream.
Okay, list 3 now?
Yep.
Keep
The
on
first
going.
one is plate. Gear. Noise. Under. Twisted. Giant. Knives. What? Around. Because. Forest. Once. Scramble. Again. Careful. Breakfast. Batter. Suddenly. Badge. Village. On to the next one. List 4.
List 4. Go
We're
for it.
almost there. Silent. Nervous. Nature. Station. Graceful. Heavy. Against. Excuse. Traffic. Reward. Plastic. Ocean. Preform.
Go.
E-form.
Preform, yeah.
Delicious. Pebble.
Good girl.
Understood. Dentist.
They start to get a bit tricky, don't they?
Dentally.
Yep, keep going.
Dentally. Feature. Anger. Honey. On to list 5 when it gets a little bit tricky.
Okay.
So if you're wondering if it gets tricky, you can still do stuff that like this. Spinning on. This, and the first one is speechless. Stubborn.
So keep going.
Courageous.
Close. Keep going.
Regular. I get it on regular.
Keep going.
Apparis.
Keep going.
Gracious.
Good girl.
Honeycomb.
That's all right. Keep going.
Abizon.
So close. Keep going.
Impressive.
So close. Keep going.
Protective. Cushion.
Good girl.
Privileges.
Keep going.
Needle. Marriage. Bed.
Oh, that's a tricky one, isn't it?
But I almost got it right. Baggage. Juice. So this juice. Lately.
Yep.
Bushel.
Good girl.
Lana.
Well done. Thank you very much for reading those.